Welcome back, and thanks for taking a couple minutes to be here. Today, we're answering a very common question. What is dimensional weight, and why does it affect shipping costs? Dimensional weight exists because carriers don't just move weight, they move space. Even a lightweight product can take up a lot of room in a truck or airplane, and that space has value. Let's start with a few simple definitions. Actual weight is exactly what it sounds like, how much the package weighs on a scale. Dimensional weight, also called DM weight, volumetric weight, or cubic weight, is a calculated weight based on the size of the box, not the scale. Billable weight is the final number used for pricing. It's whichever is higher, the actual weight or the dimensional weight. Different carriers may use different terms on their invoices, but the concept is the same across the industry. To calculate dimensional weight, carriers use a simple formula, length times width times height, divided by a dimensional divisor. The dimensional divisor represents how much space a carrier allows per pound in their network. In many parcel shipments, the standard dimensional divisor is 139. What that means is this: the lower the divisor, the less space allowed per pound, and the higher the calculated dimensional weight. Here's a simple example. Imagine a product that weighs 2 to 3 pounds, but it's packed into an oversized box with a lot of empty space. When that box is measured and calculated using a 139 dimensional divisor, the dimensional weight might come out to 10, 11, or even 12 pounds. At that point, the carrier compares the two numbers, actual weight versus dimensional weight, and the shipment is billed using the higher number, which becomes the billable weight. Dimensional weight is not a surcharge or a penalty. It's a pricing method used to account for space in the delivery network. When packaging isn't right-sized, dimensional weight becomes one of the most common reasons shipping costs increase beyond expectations. Thanks again for watching. If you have questions about dimensional weight, packaging, or parcel shipping costs, leave them in the comments. We read them, and we'll get your questions answered.